Welcome, in front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware or the system on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update the firmware on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application, then tap on devices and select your HUAWEI Watch GT 6. Now scroll through this list and find the firmware update and tap on it. And the watch, or rather the app, will check for the newest updates, and once it finds the update, you will see this page. And you can tap on download and update. Beware though, make sure that the battery is charged, because if it's not, if the battery dies during the setup process, it might damage your watch. So either place it on a charger and then continue, or charge it before and then tap on download and update, and we'll start downloading, updating it to our watch. And after it's done, it will start installing, and then after it's done, it will reboot. So it might take a while, so I'm gonna skip this and come back to you once it's done. Okay, so the update finished. It took quite a while, I would say around like 10 minutes, but we're back. Here we can tap on finish, and you can also open the firmware update again to check if there is a newer update for your watch, which there should be not, because you just updated it. Okay, and that's how you update this watch, or the firmware on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.